How you doing, folks? James Farrer here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this lovely 2019 BMW X1 sDrive18d SE. Now it comes in this grey metallic finish with the LED front lights, the black BMW kidney grille, the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, rear parking sensors, the BMW X1 sDrive18d badging, twin exhaust pipes. This car is also this SUV is also fitted with an automatic trunk. Just a simple click of the key fob and she'll open up. Also on board are collapsible rear seats to give you even more trunk space. To close the boot, it's just a simple tap the button. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. So now that we're inside, you can see you have the black sporty Dakota leather with the dark oak wood trim, the BMW iDrive system on board, rear parking sensors. It also comes with a BMW multifunctional paddle shift steering wheel. Some of the features also include Active Guard, BMW SOS service, ISOFIX child seats, cruise control with brake function, extended storage, active pedestrian safety system, and real-time traffic information. Now, that was just a quick look at this 2019 BMW X1 sDrive 18d SE. If you have any questions, or if you want to take this lovely car for a test drive, please feel free to stop in to us or visit us online. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video.